Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. You know, it's Rush to Discover Boss. Today we are at Bayfront. So it's Bayfront Villa and Apartments, currently under construction, under refurbishment. This was the old Forum Hotel back in the days. It's currently being refurbished for 2-bedroom, 3-bedrooms. If you're new to the channel, guys, definitely subscribe for more content. Subscribing is free. If you want to donate, there's options to donate as well, PayPal and others. Definitely leave a comment, subscribe and share. And we're in Portmore, St. Catherine. This is the Bayfront Villa Community Scheme. It's a gated community scheme, and this is the apartment complex for it. As I said before, it's currently being refurbished to old 2-bedrooms, 1-bedrooms and 3-bedroom as well. So this is a first video, a first look, a very short video as well, just showing you guys a little bit of what's happening. This is the Bayfront Villa and Apartment Complex, Portmore, St. Catherine. So this is the back of the complex as well. I'll try go ahead and show you guys a front view. Alright, so this is the original entrance for the villas. So there are already villas that are fully occupied. 2-bedroom, 1-bedroom. They have pool, they have ocean view. They have jogging trail. So what's under development is this up here, which is the apartment complex to complement the villas. So it's a bit good distance off, so I know we can't see much, but just showing you guys a little bit of what's happening in and around Portmore. Did a few other videos recently on other developments in Portmore as well. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Definitely leave a comment on this project. It's supposed to cost 2 billion Jamaican dollars. Supposed to have 120 rooms in total, or apartments in total. And this is the old Forum Hotel. It will have some residential and a commercial development. So I think probably shopping complex will be on the ground floors, and then the residents on the top floors. And the developers are the Portmore Marina Development. They're the person developing this complex. So it's the Bayfront Apartments, and the villas are already fully operational. So this is close to what most persons refer to as back road. So it's close to that section of Portmore, close to the Port Henderson Road as well. Alright guys, the breeze is very high, but this is a quick look around the area.